He is not guilty of murdering someone without reason. He is absolutely innocent without reason. Any one of us can commit murder if he is compelled to do so. I believe this. I teach law and ethics, so I study many such cases. If there is compulsion, we all will commit murder. God, if there is such compulsion, we can all commit murder. If she becomes a widow, she will get permission. She only has to become a widow, because only after becoming a widow, she will get permission to marry her beloved person. I could not understand much the case of a boy from school who got addicted to drugs and killed his entire family, but I saw an angle in it that there was a drug angle in it. And after drugs come, I think that there is nothing left to say because drugs spoil a person's mind. I once went to Sikkim. I also narrated the story there. A boy from our school got addicted to drugs and killed his entire family. His mother, his father, his grandmother, his elder brother. Just because he was so crazy about drugs and his parents were trying to get him off drugs. So as soon as I hear about drug addiction in any case, then I stop thinking that a drug addict can do anything. And that is why I tell only one thing to children these days: do anything in the world, even in your own home. Just don't do this thing. There is no return in this. Life ends and who knows whose life will end along with yours. See, in the indoor case, everything is right. That girl did a very wrong thing. She should be hanged. Say age, everything is fine. The court will do its work. But let's think about it from another angle. The sad thing in this whole case is that the boy was murdered without any reason. He has no fault. He is completely innocent. He was killed without any reason. What is his fault? He liked some girl. Both agreed, they got married. The wife said confidently that I want to go on a honeymoon. I want to go far away. What does it mean if the husband has a little doubt? If he is not interested in going away, the husband's parents are also not interested, but still it is okay. What should we do if the wife says so? He went there. He has 3 friends who will kill him together and the plan is being made and changed every day. It is evident with how much cool mind the murder was done. So such people should definitely get a very big punishment. But let's think of another angle, that woman or any other woman, or any man, any one of us can commit murder if he is compelled. I believe that I am a person who teaches law and ethics, so I read many such cases in it. If there is compulsion, we all will commit murder. God, if there is such compulsion, we all can do it. Even the most innocent person, who you might think, can commit murder. If such a situation arises, then it is not possible for the whole life. That is why no one does it. But if it happens, then maybe we will do it. For example, if someone is doing injustice to your sister or mother in front of you, there is no other option. You will kill at that time. Anyone will do it. So we can all do it. Why did that girl kill, if we look a little deeper? What was her real wish? To marry her lover. If she had been in Europe, the marriage would have been over, because there the boy and girl get married on their own. The whole family, the whole village, the whole locality takes care. Here, for marriage, it is necessary to have the consent of the parents, right? It is our culture. It is possible that she talked to her parents. They may not agree. Her father is probably a heart patient. I heard about this somewhere. I heard about one mention that she said this to her lover or the lover said something to her. Said something like this, that I will not get permission to marry you because maybe the caste does not match, or whatever you are. But if I become a widow, then I will get permission. She only has to become a widow, because only after becoming a widow will she get permission to marry her loved one. What kind of sociality is this, brother? If X loves Y, wants to spend her life with him. What kind of caste? What kind of community is this that you will get murders done, just because she cannot live her life according to her wish? I think that if the society was a little open, it would have given her permission. She would not have to do all this. Now she knows that my father will not agree because he is a heart patient. I will not even tell him. But if the daughter becomes a widow and when the daughter says, "Father, now I am a widow," now I am not able to understand, it seems right. Anyway, the marriage of a widow is not going to happen easily. Then father will agree. Papa means father, mother, all the people in the society will agree. It is possible that father also agrees. She may not have gathered courage. I do not know the whole scenario, but this mention was coming again and again in between. Now she has to get married only so that I can become a widow. That poor husband is getting married with so much interest that she is my wife. I will have a good life. The wife has only one thing in mind, that she has to kill him and become a widow. He has only one concern, that I don't want to have physical relationship, because I don't have any desire. If he has to be killed beforehand, then he has to postpone it for 2-4 days, saying something like, "I have taken a vow, after that we will get physically connected." That vow of mine will be fulfilled in Assam, in Kamakya temple. Saying all this, take him there. Kill him. Killed him along with her lover, along with his 3 friends. He must have thought that no one will know. I will become a widow. People will say, you were on honeymoon, poor thing. But look, my husband died unfortunately. He fell down. Quote, and the mourning will go on for 1 month, 1 year. Then we will get married. Why does someone commit a crime? Generally, he commits a crime because he has faith that he will be saved. This is a plan that we will be saved. Everyone has faith. There are so many innocent people that they don't even know that the police has thousands of ways to catch them. If a person carrying a mobile phone in his hand thinks that he will be saved, there cannot be a bigger stupidity than this. This is such a big stupidity. No one will catch them in a deserted area. At that time, only 4 phones are working in the network in a deserted area. Only 5 phones are working. 1 of the wife, 1 of the husband, and 3 of them. It is difficult for the police to catch them where there are thousands of phones. There are only 5 phones. 1 has died, 4 have killed. Is it difficult for the police to catch them? It takes only a second for the police to catch all these things. So they were bound to be caught. So this hope that we will be saved, this hope that I will find a way out in this way. I will not be the reason for my father's death. But what is the basic question behind all this? Why should not the society be so open that if 2 children want to marry each other, then their wish should be respected by keeping a little caste or community in mind? Therefore, in general, that woman has committed the murder with the help of her friend and 3 hired people. All of them will be jailed. Whoever is of the same age will be hanged. But then the deeper question is that in honor, killing the person who fires the gun is not the real criminal. In these cases also the person who kills is not the real criminal. He is there. Who all are behind him? There is a whole social structure. And I am a student of sociology. That is why we have the habit of understanding things in the social framework and not just understanding things on an individual basis. So don't be afraid. Right now the world is doing well. There is no need to be so afraid. And don't be afraid only if you see a blue drum. It can be for some other reason also. Okay.